A decline of 3.9% is possible for Bittensor by August 15, coin data flow shows. Let's take a second to assess the current momentum. As we speak, Bittensor is up 0.1% on the day and trades close to $199.79. Let's shift to the analysts' projections. CoinDataFlow projects the price may weaken to $191.96 by tomorrow. That's a decrease of 3.9%. CoinPrice Forecast foresees Bittensor heading for $200, roughly 0.1% more than the current price. CoinLore points out it could move up to $203.60, about 1.9% more than now. Another outlook from traders, Union sees Bittensor advancing to $206.05, a rise of approximately 3.1%. Finally, Crypto Predictions forecasts a move toward $213.73 by August 15, marking a gain of 7%. This is the strongest return potential in our lineup. Forecasts are in. Let's see what the data says next. Now that the forecasts are clear, let's dive into the numbers. From all the predictions combined, the likely market shift sits between a decrease of 3.9% and a rise of 7%, depending on the analyst. The numbers make it clear that Crypto Predictions predicts the highest return, with 7% surge in value by August 15. Considering all forecasts, you could realize between $1 and $70 for every $1,000 you invest. From a volatility perspective, CoinPrice forecast holds a 89.3% probability of accuracy. Looking across all 5 predictions, I've put forward the clearest consensus path. Consensus expectation place Bittensor roughly 1.6% above where it stands now. Here's the full picture. The consensus projection shows the price up by about 1.6%. As a result, your capital may also advance by approximately 1.6%. With $1,000 invested, the implied gain would be roughly $16. So by probability measures, the consensus view for Bittensor is given a chance of around 79.8%. Up next, let's see how analysts view the short-term 3-day forecast. CoinDataFlow indicates that Bittensor could keep climbing. According to CoinPrice Forecast, the price is expected to remain largely unchanged, reflecting a stable short-term market environment. A positive outlook is shared by CoinLore, pointing to more gains. Meanwhile, Traders Union frames the 3-day picture as bullish. Similarly, Crypto Predictions describes the trajectory as climbing steadily. By integrating these assessments, the consensus view points to a bias toward upward movement for Bittensor across the 3-day horizon. So, the message is unanimous. 100% of analysts point to an upward move. Looking at the combined set of forecasts, the majority position indicates Bittensor may gain ground in the short term. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were published. Now, we can see how they matched yesterday's reality. As a result, the market wrapped up at $203.46. Yesterday showed that most predictions matched the move. Top result for precision went to CoinPrice Forecast. Let's see the breakdown. Yesterday's close confirmed 3 forecasts inside the candle. And about ROI, a few profitable results appeared, with the top one at 1.9%. Here's the daily summary. How each analyst's forecast performed in real numbers. For comparison, CoinPrice Forecast reached 0.7% ROI and accuracy. See if your guess matches what really played out on the chart. Let's take a quick look at how the expected profitability for tomorrow compares between Bittensor and a few others. Bittensor doesn't lead in this forecast, as Gram stands highest with 12.7%. We're looking at a limited group of 5 coins, and a wider range of crypto forecasts is already on my website. If you prefer quick overviews instead of watching endless analyst videos, like and subscribe to keep it easy. See you next time, guys!